Alright, this week in creative freelancer news, Fiverr drops fresh Q2 earnings and it's not all doom and gloom. Freelancer.com shows signs of AI burnout, the UK finally cracks down on late payments, and Fiverr launches a weird but kind of brilliant vibe-based branding tool. If you're a freelancer trying to grow your business, stand out and actually enjoy what you do, here is what you need to know and what to do with it. Hey, I'm Andy Roberts and every week I'm breaking down the biggest freelancer news that affects creatives, so hit that subscribe button if you want to stay ahead of your game. First up, Fiverr's Q2 2025 results are out. Revenue, $92 million. That's a 13% jump year over year. Active buyers are up too, hitting 4.6 million. Now, full transparency, Fiverr did report a net loss of $2.4 million, and Wall Street didn't throw a party. But here's the bigger picture. People are still hiring freelancers and spending more when they do. The take rate, aka Fiverr's cut, is sitting pretty at 31.7%. Here's what you can take from this. Buyers are there, work is flowing. If your gigs aren't, it's probably your positioning, your visibility, or your profile. This is your sign to update your gigs, revisit your thumbnails, tighten up your descriptions, and maybe test a new category while the demand is still rising. Now this is either genius or chaos, but Fiverr just launched a vibe coding campaign. And yes, that is what they're calling it. The idea? Helping freelancers define their brand vibe with tools like personality quizzes, tone of voice, style guides, and brand aesthetic prompts. Basically turning your profile into a mood board. If you're someone who struggles to stand out, this could actually help. The psychology behind it is sound. Buyers remember how you make them feel, so this might be Fiverr nudging you to lean into your personality a bit more, which, spoiler alert, is good advice. What can you do? Just head to the new branding section on Fiverr, take the quiz and see if your vibe matches your actual profile. You might just find a new edge. According to Freelancer.com's Q2 Fast 50 report, AI-related freelance jobs are down 15%. That includes stuff like AI-generated content, mid-journey prompts, and basic AI dev tasks. So are the robots dead? Not quite. This is more of like a market correction. Everyone rushed in, flooded the space, and now clients are getting pickier. They're no longer wowed by generic AI fluff. What you should do, if you're in the AI space, double down on quality and niche expertise. AI won't disappear, but clients are starting to value skill and judgment over gimmicks. And if you're not in the AI space, this could be your window to stand out with human-first services like storytelling, strategy, and creativity that can't be auto-generated. Alright, UK freelancers, this one's for you. The government just announced a crackdown on late payments to small businesses and sole traders. The Small Business Commissioner is getting more power. Big businesses will have to report more payment data, and there's talk of penalties for late paying giants. Now, will this solve everything overnight? No, but it's real momentum in the right direction. Late payments cripple freelance cash flow, and the government's finally listening. Here's what you can do. Tighten your contracts, set clear payment terms, and if you hate chasing invoices or getting paid late, you need to check out Bloom. Bloom's an all-in-one freelance platform. We use it at Kraken Media and genuinely love it. It replaces over 150 software subscriptions a month. It's got invoicing, contracts, forms, CRM, project tracking, and it's all in one and it's branded to you, so it is one sleek place and it makes you look professional to customers. It starts at just $7 a month and there's a free trial, so you can literally test drive it without paying a penny. Link is in the description. Quick market check. Investment firm Needham just cut Fiverr's price target from $40 to $32, citing inconsistent performance. Now, before you freak out, remember this is a stock market call, not a platform health check. It reflects investor patience more than buyer behavior. But here's the positive spin. Fiverr's still reinvesting. That means new tools, features, and opportunities for freelancers who adapt. Keep an eye out on beta rollouts, experiment with Fiverr Pro or Fiverr Go, and stay active. Platforms reward creators who engage early with new features. Alright, so the TLDR, freelance work still in demand, branding matters more than ever, AI hype is settling into substance, and UK government is finally waking up to how creators actually live and work. If you like this video or got any value from it, hit that like button. It really helps more freelancers find this news. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's updates, and drop a comment if you're seeing any of this stuff play out in your own world. I'm Andy Roberts, this is Kraken Media, and I will see you next week with more freelance news that actually matters.